All right, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. My name is Jim. I am a crypto trader and a Forex trader, here to help you understand the market from an Elliott wave perspective. Guys, we're going to look at the market very quickly and build on what we were talking about on Sunday night during Sunday night charts. Don't forget, not financial advice, just looking at the market through an Elliott wave lens. Yes, what we do as Elliott wave traders is we look through the market for fives and threes, guys. Fives and threes all over the place. We see those fives and threes. We put them together in known structures, larger structures, and we figure out where price might be going based upon the structure of the wave. Now, again, not financial advice, just kind of showing you how we look at the market and mapping out a potential wave pattern here. So let's jump into the market. Excuse me. Well, we're looking at Bitcoin right now. That's what we'll focus in on this week. And I would say on the outset, guys, in the comments, the most requested top 10 market cap coin and the most requested crap coin that you guys put in the comments that you'd like to see TA on. I'll bring a video tomorrow on that. So let's hear in the comments today not only what you think about this video, but if you want to hear TA on any particular other coin, then I'd love to do some in-depth market analysis on that coin for you. All right, so we got two coins. We'll do two coins tomorrow. The number one top 10 coin besides Bitcoin. And then outside of the top 10, we'll pick an alt that's outside of the top 10. All right, let's jump in here. Well, overall, guys, we're still looking at the same pattern here, the same pattern that we were expecting as a WXY to the downside. I believe we're in the middle of a flat B wave of an ABC right here. So in the Y wave, I'm looking at an A, a B, and a C. And I want to see this flat play out. Okay, so I want to see it play out. Hopefully, this flat will play out. I don't think we're going to be coming straight down, but guys, the market can do whatever it wants to. My analysis of this wave shapes they're subject to whether I'm seeing everything correctly and looking at everything correctly. So, with that being said, I think I've got enough evidence saying, yeah, we're still going up. I thought we were going up from here. We were actually long for that move. This came back down. And kind of scared you a little bit, but we hedged that short and then made money on the way down, and then looking to make money back on the way up here, back up to a C wave somewhere in this region, somewhere in this area, right in here. Okay. Ultimately, the final move to the downside is going to put us down here somewhere around 43. We'll have to wait and see, but 43 to 40. Yeah, 43K is a pretty good number. 42, 43K in that ballpark. Pretty good numbers there for the ultimate bottom. But looking for a retrace somewhere close to 49K, 49.50, something 49.5, something like that. Let's look in and zoom in on the count and see what we'd have. Ultimately, we got a three-wave move to the downside. Boom, right there. We got a three-wave move to the upside. Boom, right there. Now we're looking for a three-wave move to the downside there. All right, but we're in the middle. We're in the middle of the middle wave of that three-wave move right there, if you can see that. That's the way I'm thinking about it right now. I reserve the right to change my mind. I always do as information comes in the market and invalidates this count. And this count can get invalidated. If the market comes and invalidates the count, then we can totally change our minds. Okay, so let's zoom in and take a peek at what's going on right in here. Let's go to the, 10-minute chart and see what's going on in here. Beautiful. Okay. Now this wave right here is giving me so much trouble. I really don't, I was counting it as 5 waves to the upside. I'm really, really not super happy, with it. But nevertheless, I think I have to count it now as 3 waves, basically. I have to count it as 3. So I'm looking at this as a 3-wave, and then a 3-wave right there. Okay, so that's kind of a really ugly WXY. Not a fan of that personally, but we're going to call it that. I think the overall structure plays. Okay, and then we've got a move, how we look at it like this here. Actually, we can look at it something like, actually I can move this A over here and still get 3 waves out of that, I think. It's ugly, but we can still do it. I've got 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So we got boom, 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 just like that. Okay, and I think we've hit a bottom here. I think possibly we've hit a bottom. I think at the end of the day, I think this was a stop hunt to the low, a stop hunt to the low, and then we had an impulse off of that. Looks like we're getting a complex three-wave pullback. Time's going to tell here very soon whether we're going to get this move to the upside here. But nevertheless, we're looking at this as an A, B, and a C, something like that. If we go to the small time frames, you'll notice something about this wave that came down. It came down in 3 waves. Let's look at it. Small time frame. There we go. Best I can tell, it came down in 3 waves, A, B, and C, right there. You pull the fibs. Sorry about that. Somebody's messaging me on my phone. Sorry about that. You got 3 waves to the downside there to the 1618. Okay, had an impulse off the top, or off the bottom, I should say. You can count that pretty nicely as an impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, like that. Now we're looking at this as a WXY correction. Okay. Where you got 3 waves. Okay, 3 waves. And now this is another 3 waves here. Finishing down here somewhere. Look for anywhere from the 1-to-1 to the 1-4-4 in this range right here to retest the low. And I'm looking at that as a 1-2 to the upside. We'll be looking for potentially at 5 waves for this whole idea to play out. Got a 1 and a 2. Look for a 3, 4, and a 5. Something like that. Zoom back out just a little bit. I got it kind of tall there. That's about what we're looking for right there. Hold the fibs, get a target zone. Not right there. That's the wrong place. Looking at the 1618, I like is one of the best targets in there. It's looking at about 49.9 again in that range here. I like it. I like it. So that's looking pretty good, guys. That's looking fairly decent as a flat here. And then what that's going to be is the B wave or the B wave of the Y wave, zooming back out once that flat finishes. Once that flat finishes, then we're looking for a C wave to the downside. That is my #1 idea, guys. I'm not here to give you a million ideas. Just wanted to give you my favorite idea. Now, here's what you have to understand. That may or may not play out. What you have to understand is that that's an idea based on the wave structures that I'm seeing. Some of them are a little, not so clear, and some of them are clearer, and so we have to make some decisions along the way. This may play out, and this may not play out. And for the trolls, don't worry about it. I know it may not play out, and I'm prepared for it. I'm actually hedged to the downside right now, waiting for this corrective wave that we're currently in to finish. And once that finishes, then I'll be ready to take it back to the upside and trading it long here to get up here. After that plays, I'm looking for a lower low to be made, most likely. At least that's the way I'm thinking about the market for now. Hope that helps you guys. There's a lot more I could say, guys. If you need more than that, guys, every other day or something like that, then what I would suggest is come join the Discord. You're at the very beginning of the month. It's a great time to do it. Guys, there's so much value in there, and I give you my heart and soul in there. I really, really work hard to make sure everybody's taken care of. I've already done 2 different lives today, getting ready to do a 3rd live for the group, just making sure everybody's got all the information that they need to get. The 2nd live I did today was for the Elite group, so we do special lives for them while we're trading during the day sometimes. So anyway, all right, you guys have a fantastic day. Thanks for stopping by the channel. If you liked what you heard, and you want to hear more about Elliott wave theory and how we look at the market and how we think about trading, I'd love to have you in the Discord, or just subscribe to the channel. Leave some love in the comments, guys. And if you made it to the end of the channel, I love you very, very much. Appreciate you, and we'll see you on the next one. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.